Ladies and gents, welcome back. It is another beautiful day out here. We are at the Corvette Museum and we're on our big cross-country road trip thing. I'm gonna make a long video, but it's been like 2 weeks, so yeah, nothing happened. We're just on vacation. Figured I'd make a little video while we were here, so check it out.
Corvette to be truly unique. And all fiberglass body certainly made that.
Naked block all the way to a running engine. On a customer build day,
Astrovet. Oh my goodness. This is probably their biggest attraction now because people just love destruction. All these beautiful cars here and can't help but be drawn towards the smashed ones. This is one of my favorite Corvettes, probably just because I was a kid when it came out. But it's just a wild color scheme. I like it. It reminds me Honda had a 95 CBR 900, same color scheme. So this is kind of cool. They have all the generations laid out. C1. Wow, look at this bad boy. 1910 Buick. So the museum was nothing short of amazing, as you can see. We had a great time, highly recommend it. It's not that expensive, 10 bucks a person. The cafe, oh my goodness, the food was amazing and it was so cheap and everyone was so nice. So yeah, if you're in or around Bowling Green, Kentucky, come to the Corvette Museum. Totally worth it. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.